Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So today, we're talking about how to get that silky, glassy hair we all dream of. You know, the kind that looks super soft, shiny, and healthy. I've got some fun tips for you. So get comfy, grab a drink, and let's talk. Tip 1, rosemary water. Okay, first up, rosemary water. It sounds a bit fancy, but it's super simple. Just steep some fresh rosemary in water, let it cool down, and then use it as a rinse after you shampoo. It helps with hair growth and gives your hair this beautiful shine. You'll love it, I promise. Tip 2, rice water magic. Next up, rice water. You've probably heard all the buzz around it. Just soak some rice in water overnight, strain it, and use it as a rinse. It's full of vitamins and minerals that make your hair soft and shiny. It's like a secret hack for healthy hair, and it's been around for ages. Tip 3, silk pillowcases. All right, let's talk silk pillowcases. I know it sounds a bit extra, but trust me, it's worth it. They really do reduce breakage, cut down on frizz, and your hair will look so much better when you wake up. Plus, it just feels so fancy to sleep on silk. Tip 4, scalp massager. This one's a must. Get yourself a silicone scalp massager. They're so good for your hair. They help boost circulation to your scalp, which promotes hair growth and makes your hair roots stronger. It's like giving your scalp a little spa day every time you shampoo. Tip 5, protein hair mask. Here's a fun one. Make a DIY protein mask. All you need is egg yolk, honey, and yogurt. Mix it up, apply it to your hair, leave it for about 30 minutes, and then rinse with cold water. Your hair will feel like silk afterward. Super easy and super effective. Tip 6, less shampoo, more conditioner. Stop shampooing every day, okay? I know it's tempting, but it strips your hair of its natural oils. Try shampooing just 2 to 3 times a week and make sure you're always using conditioner. Your hair will stay hydrated and so much healthier. Tip 7, hair oils for nourishment. Oiling your hair is a must. Use something like coconut oil or argan oil and just massage it into your scalp. It reduces hair fall, keeps your scalp healthy, and adds that gorgeous shine. It's like a mini spa treatment you can do at home. Tip 8, cold water. Rinse. Rinse your hair with cold water to seal the cuticles and boost shine. Tip 9, avoid heat tools. Limit heat tools. Use a heat protectant if you must. Tip 10, hair serum. Use a hair serum for a shiny, frizz-free finish. Tip 11, brush gently. Brush your hair gently, starting from the ends to avoid breakage. Tip 12, trim regularly. Trim your hair every 6 to 8 weeks to keep it healthy and prevent split ends. Tip 13, don't wash too often. Don't wash your hair every day. Try every 2 to 3 days to keep your natural oils. Tip 14, eat for hair health. Eat more foods rich in vitamins like biotin, zinc, and omega-3 for stronger hair. Fun bad habits talk. All right, real talk. Who else used to tie their hair up when it was still wet? Or pull through tangles like it's a race? Yeah, I'm guilty too. But seriously, we gotta stop doing that. Let's treat our hair with care, because it deserves it. And that's it, babes. Those are your ultimate tips for silky, shiny hair. Keep showing your hair some love, and it'll thank you with that gorgeous, glassy shine. Stay beautiful, stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next video.